Now it's time to play more actively with Python. Recall that there are high-level and low-level languages, and the Python interpreter is the program that converts the Python code like we saw in the Mad program into something that can be executed on the computer directly. This interpreter is embedded in a number of larger programs. One that is particularly convenient for beginning programmers to manipulate things with is the program idle. And I will show you how to set it up. Well, I'm again using Windows, so I will illustrate on Windows. If you go to the directory where we have all of the examples, one of the files you will see there is the idle32 shortcut. And if you are running Python 3.2, that's the one you should be using, or there are other variations. So I will double click on this. What has come up here is the Python shell. And the shell is a very handy place to do things immediately. For instance, adding 2 and 3, you'll notice I hit return and I get 5, and you notice I get another one of these things with like the arrows to the right. This is called the prompt in the shell, and the indication there very concisely is it's your turn. Put something in here to be interpreted as Python. And you can see that Python does simple arithmetic. It also does subtraction and so on. Let's go on now. Depending on the way you have idle set up, you may have not seen the Python shell first. You might instead have seen a new edit window. Something like this. Note it has edit here. We're going to use a window like this shortly, but if you were to get this first, you could always go to the Python shell after this, and we come back where we were before.